Embark on aquatic adventures with the ultimate selection of inflatable stand-up paddleboards that redefine water sport excellence. Our carefully curated assortment boasts unrivaled craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched versatility. These inflatable paddleboards effortlessly blend portability with performance, allowing beginners and experts alike to conquer waves, tranquil lakes, and winding rivers. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best inflatable stand-up paddleboards you can buy for this year comes in. Presenting the exceptional Thurso Surf Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard, a standout at number 5 on our list. Experience the upgraded Water Walker 132, now fortified with cutting-edge woven reinforcement, resulting in a lighter, high-performance masterpiece. Designed to captivate water sports aficionados seeking top-notch quality. This paddleboard revolutionizes convenience with its innovative rechargeable electric air pump, ensuring rapid inflation for quicker aquatic adventures. Boasting a tour-inspired design, the Water Walker 132 offers both speed and stability. Whether it's yoga, fishing, or sharing the ride with your furry friend, this 11 by 32 by 6-inch board accommodates it all. An ideal choice for beginners venturing into paddleboarding and equally exhilarating for intermediate to advanced paddlers. With a weight of 25.3 pounds, it supports 160 to 210 pounds up to a max of 330 pounds. Crafted with the sturdiest iSUP structure available, the board features double-layer construction, combining woven drop-stitch core and military-grade PVC tarpaulin. Reinforced side rails and carbon reinforcement rails enhance rigidity, resulting in a hardboard-like performance. Yours for $649 US. Meet the Serene Life Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard, your ticket to aquatic adventures. Ranked at number 4, this paddleboard redefines balance with its impressive dimensions. Stretching 10.6 feet in length and spanning 32 inches in width, mastering stability atop this SUP is a walk on water. Designed thoughtfully for novices, this board boasts a soft anti-slip deck that doubles as a safety net. Even the pros take a plunge now and then, and with cushioned top ensures those slips are softer on the ego. Navigating waterways becomes a breeze with the triple bottom panel fins, endowing you with matchless maneuverability. Glide and carve through waves like a true aquanaut, thanks to the surf-savvy design. Seize your inner wanderer, as this inflatable SUP board is your adventure companion. Pack it up conveniently for every escapade, whether riding crests or exploring hidden coves. Priced at a reasonable $279 US, the Serene Life stand-up paddleboard beckons you to embrace the waves and embark on a thrilling aquatic journey. Discover the Bluefin Crew's inflatable stand-up paddleboard, your ultimate aquatic adventure companion. Ranked at an impressive number 3 on the list, these boards redefine stability and versatility for both adults and kids. Crafted with exo-surface laminate technology and pro-weave drop stitch, Bluefin SUP boards are virtually indestructible, maintaining a robust 28 psi for unparalleled rigidity. Experience a seamless transition with Bluefin's innovative kayak conversion kit. Effortlessly switch to kayaking mode by attaching the padded seat and the specialized kayak paddle blade, all included in the package. Worried about portability? This paddleboard backpack boasts extra padding and super wide straps, guaranteeing comfort during your travels. The lightweight 2-piece paddle, crafted with an ergonomic fiberglass shaft, is 45% lighter than standard SUP paddles. Navigating waters is a breeze with the smart lock fin and double action pump. Achieve the ultimate glide with the versatile center fin and inflate your cruise rapidly with the double action pump, all at an enticing price of $599 US. Introducing the Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboards, your ultimate water adventure companion. With impressive dimensions of 120 by 33 by 6 inches, these boards offer a spacious platform for your aquatic escapades. Designed for all skill levels, Rock's boards boast a remarkable 50% increase in material strength compared to competitors, ensuring durability that lasts. Ranked as Amazon's top-rated paddleboard worldwide, Rock stands tall in quality and performance. With an impressive weight capacity of 350 pounds, Rock prioritizes safety and reliability, setting a new industry standard. The expansive design caters to a diverse range of skills, making it an exceptional choice for everyone. Complete with premium accessories, Rock provides an unparalleled package deal. Plus, revel in the peace of mind with Rock's remarkable 2-year manufacturer's warranty, showcasing their commitment to customer satisfaction. Elevate your aquatic ventures with Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Boards, the epitome of quality, strength, and style, all for just $249. Unleash the explorer in you today. Say hello to the Bestway Hydroforce Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard, your ticket to aquatic adventures. Ranked as our top pick at number 1, this board is a game-changer for all skill levels. Designed to deliver optimum stability and balance, it's perfect for kids, beginners, and experts weighing up to 220 pounds. Glide smoothly on calm waters or navigate small waves with ease, thanks to its exceptional maneuverability and lightweight build. Need a break? Feel free to kneel comfortably for added stability. This versatile board isn't just for paddling, it's your passport to multiple activities. Whether you're exploring lakes, rivers, or oceans, engaging in yoga, trying your luck at fishing, or simply touring, it has you covered. Plus, there's room for kids and even furry friends. Ditch the traditional cumbersome SUPs. This inflatable marvel offers superior cost-effectiveness, easy transportation, and rock-solid stability. The non-slip traction pad on the deck enhances your balance, reducing unplanned splashes. When the adventure wraps up, deflate, fold, and stow it effortlessly in the provided travel-friendly bag. At just $764, the Bestway Hydroforce Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard is an investment in limitless aquatic fun and unbeatable memories. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. I also want to encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the video. I love hearing from my viewers and getting your feedback. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.